Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again here with another video. It's version 2.0 of this first aid kit, which I can put in a baggie if I need to. And that baggie I can use for other things too. You can see it says defense up, has a white cross and a bright yellow reflector that's in the cross too, so it'll stand out. I got some tape on the outside, some layer tape if I need some layer tape. For whatever reason, Ranger Band's just holding it together. Quick look on the inside here. And they'll show the contents right here. Moist towelette. A pad, if need be. Yeah, you guys know what this is. More layer tape, so I don't even have to fumble with cutting a piece of tape. It's already ready to go. Just peel off, stick it around, tie it around, wrap it around something, and there we go. Some stretchy type of material right here, so if I need to add some compression, I got that. Some red hook and loops if I need to add compression onto something, like for blood, such and such. I can compress it and restrict it and kind of, well, restrict it so I can apply pressure on a cut, for example. And a Ricola, yep. 2 safety pins, little cough type of drop right here. In this bottle right here I got hand sanitizer. And on this right here, I got some sticky stuff right here, so I can use it if need be. So hand sanitizer in a glass bottle. Pain pill. Some more pills right here. In here is a Q-tip wrapped with some line right there, some thin line, and I got 2 needles in there if need be. Improvised whistle if need be. I also got some scissors in it too. Now with these scissors, if you're gonna put scissors in the first aid kit, make sure they can cut something like jeans. You don't want to put scissors in there and that can't even cut a pant leg, for example. Now I'm gonna fold this 4 times here. Twice, 4 times. Make sure they're sharp enough to actually cut. Couple bandages right here, you know, self-explanatory. And right here I got a mirror on some Velcro or hook and loops right here, so I can take that off, use it for signaling purposes, check my back, check my face, or whatever the reason is. And this is kind of how it looks like when it's all put together, or put back in first aid kit here, version 2.0. Might have to work on the organization of it just a little here. So if you enjoyed this video of this first aid kit, not a trauma kit, more like a boo-boo kit, hit me up on a big thumbs up. Now as the world changes, so must oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video for me, it's peace out from the guy that's always in creation mode. CR, and I'll see ya later. Peace.